So here we have an AT&T 6.0 Expandable corded and cordless phone with smart call blocker. This is in silver and black, and it comes with one handset. So this is expandable up to 12 handsets. It has a digital answering service with voice guides, records up to 22 minutes, stores up to 50 names in the caller ID. Screen is high contrast and it's very large black LCD, and it has a lighted keypad. Of course, it's compatible with AT&T cordless accessory speakerphone and AT&T cordless headsets. So this really does have a good long range coverage and clarity. And it has the antenna design on the side, noise filtering technology. I was keeping the bass in the basement and a handset upstairs, and I had no problem with connectivity and range, and I even had the antenna down. So as you can see, it has a ton of functions, more than what you probably need, and this comes in handy in my home office. I like a hardwired phone, and this does the job, and it's good to know that if I need to expand it, it's easily expandable, it's good quality, and it looks nice sitting on the desk. So I like this phone, it's a good buy, and I'm glad I did it.